Welcome to Friendly Math 101. Today's lesson is over, Linear Parameter Changes, Part 2. In Part 1, we discussed what linear parameter changes are and how the slope and the y-intercept will affect our line. Today, we're going to look at how to write an equation given specific parameter changes. So this first example says, write an equation that changes direction and shifts up 10 from the linear parent function. Remember, our parent function is y equals x, so I'll write that over to the side. So from this equation, we want to change direction. The thing that happens, the thing that changes when we change direction is the slope. So we want our slope to be negative. That's what will make our line change direction. So I'm going to make my slope negative. We also want to shift up 10. So I'm not actually changing the slope. The slope is going to stay 1, but I'm just making it a negative. So it's going to be negative x. And then shift up 10. Shifting up affects the y-intercept. Here in our parent function it's 0. If I want to shift up 10 from 0, I will just be at 10. So it's going to be plus 10, positive 10. And that would be our answer. This example says, write an equation that is less steep than y equals 1/2 x plus 1. Steepness is affected by the slope of the equation. So here our slope is 1/2. We want to be less steep than that. That means we want a slope that's closer to 0 or less than 1/2. So 1/2 is 0.5. We can think about it as a decimal. So anything less than 0.5 would work. I am going to choose 1/4. Everything else can stay the same. So the b can stay the same. All you have to do is make it less steep. So 1/4 is less than 1/2, making it less steep. And our last example here says to write an equation that is more steep and shifts up 3 from y equals 2x minus 7. So first of all, we want to be more steep. That affects the slope. In our equation, the slope is 2. To be more steep, I want a number bigger than 2. Anything will do. Any number bigger than 2. I'm going to pick 3. 3 as my new slope. And we want to shift up 3. So when I'm shifting up, that's going to affect my b. My b is at negative 7. So when I shift up 3, I just want to add 3 to that negative 7. That will give me a negative 4. And that would be my answer. Thank you for watching, and for more math tutorials, please subscribe to our channel, Friendly Math 101.